Today I'll show you guys how to use this, the 9.5 OG third brake light housing, to repair your old, usually broken third brake light housings. In this video I'll show you how to go from basically this to basically this, but then with the lens in front of it. Now when we start, you first start by either removing these 3 screws from the backlit, or remove these screws to relocate them in the slots in the new housing. Make sure to not lose these screws. And when you've removed this backlit, place it down, put it to the side for later use. Inspect the PCB. In some cases where the glass is still very solid and completely glued to the housing, what you can do is find an opening between the glass and the housing, such as this one. Pry away a little bit of the glue, such as this way, and then gently work your screwdriver, tweezer or whatsoever under it to get the glass to separate from the housing. And then once you are a little bit further, slowly work around it while keeping pressure to a minimal and trying to bend it as little as possible. Don't force it, just go very slow in cases where it's still a good structure. And then once you're at the end, it lets loose.